Amy. So with all the craziness going on in the world right now, it's kind of hard to believe that Easter is right around the corner. And I know that maybe some of you are kind of freaking out right now and thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do for Easter dessert? Well, I have for you just a very quick, simple recipe that you can whip together with ingredients that you probably already have on hand. But I'm gonna be making for you today some Easter Cheesecake Bark. What we're going to do first is whip out our cream cheese, sour cream, or Greek yogurt, and our vanilla extract. Okay, so don't turn this on to high speed. Alright, so now we're going to bring our mixture over here. So as you can see, I'm just scraping this mixture out of the bowl onto the cookie sheet and then flattening it out as best as I can to get it all into one even layer. Just be patient with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is a very quick, simple recipe. It's supposed to be kind of rustic. And we're gonna top this with any of your favorite Easter candies. I love jelly beans. I know jelly beans can be kind of a, not controversial, but maybe not everybody's favorite. One of my favorite Easter candies is jelly beans. I don't know. Leave your judgment in the comments. But my favorite Halloween candy is candy corn, which is another one that not everybody likes. And I love Nickelback. What? Once again, leave your judgment in the comments. And I also chopped up a few candy bars, some of the mini ones. This is some Twix. You can chop up any of your favorite candy bars. But Twix is my favorite, so I'm gonna go with that first. Just sprinkle it on. As much or as little as you would like. I can deal with people having a problem with like jelly beans or candy corn, but if you don't like Twix, what happened to you? We need to have a talk. Who hurt you? What is your beef with Twix? So this was actually in the freezer overnight. It can be in the freezer for as little as 6 hours and as much as overnight. But what I did this morning is I took it out and cut it just into some regular pieces. You can see some of them are big and some are small. And then just cut them up. Enjoy right away, or you can stick them in the freezer for up to about a week. If you liked this video and you guys learned something, please give it a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to learn more things, make more messes, and make some absolutely delicious desserts with me. Happy Easter, guys! Bye!